So first off, we're going to start with primer, and you just go through using the script, using the tips that are in the script. So Lauren, if you could just apply that to your face, please. I like the client to be able to apply it themselves, and I'll hand them the mirror and get them to tell me, what does that actually feel like on your skin?
It feels super lightweight. You can't really even feel it's there. It's just so smooth.
It's so good, isn't it? It is our #1 top seller. We sell nothing more than we sell primer because it's just an incredible product. What it's going to do is going to fill in all your surface imperfections, and it feels like velvet once it's gone on. So I love it because it makes my skin and all of my skin feel beautiful, but also creates a really flawless base for when we put on our foundation. Then you're going to ask the client what she would normally wear, whether it would be a CC cream or a liquid foundation, and you explain the difference between the two, which is basically your CC cream is your lightweight, more day wear, and your liquid foundation can be used at night or you can use it every day, but it's going to have more of a matte finish than a CC cream. So for the interest of today, we're going to colour match the client for a liquid foundation. What I have out here on the table is our 3 most popular colours, which is buff, honey beige and neutral beige. And what I would do is take my little cotton buds here that I've got in a little cup there together. I'm going to apply the product to the back of my hand after I've used my hand sanitizer. And I'm going to use the cotton bud and I'm going to colour match the client to her chin. So Lauren, here's the mirror. If you want to take a look, if you can see there, I've got 2 colours here. This one is a neutral beige, and then this one is a honey beige. And if you can tell me which one you would probably prefer. Do you like to go one darker than your skin tone?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, you
I
do.
like to go darker, yeah, so I think probably the darker one.
Do you normally fake tan a lot?
Yeah, regularly.
Yeah. Fantastic. So probably we'll go with the neutral beige then today, which was the darker tone there.
Yep.
All you need is 1 pump of the foundation, and you start by applying the foundation to half of the client's face, and just make sure that they're happy with the coverage before you finish off and do the other side. Our liquid foundation has an SPF 15. It's got a hydrator in it that lasts hours after application, and it gives you medium to full coverage, which is great for day or night wear. So once you've applied the foundation to half of the client's face, you just want to give her the mirror and just basically ask her what she thinks of the difference from one side of her face to the other.
Yep, I like it.
You like it? You happy with that colour?
Yeah, I am, yep.
Beautiful. So, and then you finish off the other side. Now we're going to use our liquid concealer, which is going to hide any dark circles underneath the eye. We're going to apply it using it on the back of our hands and then use the concealer brush to actually apply the product on the face. Our liquid concealer has a botanical extract in it that actually helps with anti-aging because it's the same botanical that's in our eye cream to hide dark circles. It has a bamboo extract that also is going to blur the fine lines underneath the eye. It's very lightweight and easy to apply. Now I'm going to use some of our liquid highlighter just on my fingertips. I'm going to just put a little bit of shimmer and shine on top of the cheekbones by rubbing the fingertips together. Down the centre of the nose, Cupid's bow. Going to be our really flawless foundation. Tell me what you think.
Yeah, it looks great.
Beautiful. Is that the type of coverage that you're normally used to wearing?
Yeah, it is. Yep.
Excellent. So I'm going to just set that now with our mineral powder, which is a beautiful iridescent shimmer mineral powder. Just going to tap. It's generally good if the product is quite full. You can just use the lid to tap a little bit back in like that, because you don't need a lot of this powder. You can use your powder brush or your mineral powder brush, which is a kabuki brush which has really thick bristles, to apply. You just need to dab it into the net and then use the lid of the product to get the powder right into the brush, and then you want to use it in circular motions all over the client's face. There we go. So we've just set that liquid foundation. Now we're going to apply our eye primer onto the back of our hand. Eye primer is fantastic because it actually helps the eyeshadows to last up to 8 hours. As we age, our eyelids actually become darker, so we need to use a light product on top of the eyelid as a base. It actually has a botanical in it that will help to smooth out any eye creases and stop the eyeshadow from caking. Okay. Now we're going to start with our 4 set of eyeshadows. For this tutorial, I'm using brownie tones, which are going to make Lauren's blue eyes really stand out. And I'm going to start with using an all-over eye brush with the lightest colour. I'm going to take the shading brush now and start with the brown tone. We have 24 different eyeshadows in our collection, mattes, shimmers and satins. They're fantastic because they come in a reusable palette of 4 or 2 colours, which is great because the client can get a day look and a night look in one palette, or you can, as you run out, you can actually pop the colour out and add in the new one that you need. Our eyeshadows are very versatile. You can use them first dry to smoke out the under eye, or you can use them wet as an eyeliner. Now moving on to upper eyeliner. We have 6 shades of eyeliner in our collection. They all have a sharpener at the bottom of the pencil. It's a creamy consistency. You can actually just warm the product on the back of your hand before you go in to apply it to the client. You want to come in from a low level and just draw a faint line along the lash line, starting from the outwards, working in. Option 2 is to get a small jug of water and dip your angle brush from your brush set into the water, then into the eyeshadow to make it a wet liquid liner consistency. Eyebrows are going to really shape the face, so you want to make sure that you're showing all of the eyebrow options that we have. Eyebrow pencil has a creamy consistency with a wind up applicator, and on the other end it has a brow. Otherwise we have our brow tint cream, which is applied similar to the way you apply mascara with a little spoolie. Just wind it through the eyebrow hair. If you make a mistake, you can just use your Easy on the Eyes eye makeup remover on a cotton bud on the client's face, just to remove any of the tint cream that might go astray. Next we move on to cheeks, starting with bronzer. Our bronzer is a beautiful shimmer. The colour is fantastic. It goes with every skin tone. It's going to give warmth to the skin, but it's also going to help you show the client how to do a little bit of the basics of contouring by using the number 3 and starting at the temple, drawing underneath the cheekbone and then underneath the jawbone. Using the same cheeks brush, we are going to apply our blush. This is Blossom. It's the most popular colour. It has a beautiful gold shimmer and a lovely rosy pink to the cheeks. To finish off the eye look, we are going to use It's a Long Story mascara using our tester wand. Our mascara has a bamboo extract and botanical peptides, which actually helps to boost and lengthen the lashes. If you don't feel comfortable applying the client's mascara yourself, you can actually ask them if they want to test how the mascara feels using the brush. Next, you want to use our lip treatment on the client's lips. This has a beautiful raspberry seed extract in it, which helps to smooth out fine lines and wrinkles, but also helps to act like a lip primer for the lipstick. Now you apply lip liner. You're going to use the lip liner matching card that you'll find on the source that matches to the lipstick that the client has chosen. To apply the lipstick, take your lipstick tester, shave a little bit off the top, and just let the client know that the lipstick has got a watermelon and apple extract in it, which smells incredible. So you want to make sure that they smell the lipstick before you finish the consultation. Our lip gloss is super glossy but not sticky. It has, again, the watermelon and apple extract in it for moisturisation and a peptide in it that actually boosts and volumizes your lips. Amazing. You can take your headband off now. Good. Your hair up. What do you think of the colour? Are you happy with that?
Yeah, really happy. Yep, gorgeous.